Hi, I'm Betsy, member of your friendly Weepa sales team. I want to talk to you about Power of Two. For us, that's the combination of our original stainless steel protector with the new termite protector weep hole screen. When these two are installed together, the result is a weep hole not only protected from a wide range of pests, but also compliant with Australian Standard 3959/2018 to bushfire attack level A40. And like all our Weepa products, they're easy to install. Each of our protector screen products have different benefits, but together they act like a dynamic duo. The original protector is a stainless steel screen, which excludes mice, bees, wasps, cockroaches, spiders, snakes, and more, and is also bushfire compliant. The Weepa termite protector is manufactured from bifenthrin-infused plastic and offers up to 2 years termite deterrence. It has APVMA approval and is currently being trialed for cockroach and ant deterrence with promising early results. It's simple to install both these products into the same weep hole, so let me show you how. All we'll need are enough packs of both our original protector and termite protectors for all of our weep holes. Each pack contains 20 individual screens and an easy-to-use applicator. We're going to begin with the stainless steel protector. So for that, we'll take our black applicator and protector screen. I'm going to start with the shallow end of the applicator. This is to ensure that we maintain the shape of the protector as it's inserted into the weep hole. So I will go ahead and attach that applicator to the screen. Then I need to make sure that it's lined up well with the weep hole. Then press firmly into the weep hole until the stopper reaches the brick. And remove the applicator. Then I need to turn it around to the deeper end and push that protector further into the weep hole. Until the stopper hits the brick, I'm done. Next, I can move on to the termite protector. So I'm going to use the gray applicator this time and the black termite protector screen. I will attach the applicator to the screen, line that up again with the weep hole, and firmly insert in until the stopper reaches the brick. And you're done. You want to make sure that you've got these lined up with the stainless steel protector in first, followed by the termite protector, especially in bushfire prone areas. Simply repeat the process until all your weep holes are screened with our dynamic duo, giving you the power of two. Weepa's original stainless steel protector weep hole screens and the new termite protector weep hole screens are available at Bunnings, Globe Pest Solutions, as well as all good hardware stores. For more information about the original protector or termite protector weep hole screen, including technical specifications, please visit our website. Feel free to call our friendly customer service team if you need help to find a convenient reseller.